We're starting out the week with Bitcoin starting at 95.3, 95.4. And unfortunately, Bitcoin did not recover this weekend. So we're starting out a little bit lower than last week. And hopefully most of you guys did watch my Sunday walk video yesterday, where I kind of explained my thoughts and how I explained that, yeah, it seemed like last week the market sentiment changed a little bit, or at least retail sentiment changed a little bit. A lot of people turned, I wouldn't say bearish, but a lot of people turned negative, right? Despite the fact that, yeah, you know, we basically, you know, reset maybe a week or two. And yeah, we did go up quite a lot. We did go up to well above $100,000, and we're not right there right now. But doesn't mean that everything that we saw, all the gains that we had disappeared. No, it doesn't mean that. But yeah, I know last week was kind of rough. We had a lot of volatility last week. But that doesn't mean that it's all lost. We still have this week. And even after this week, we still have a couple days left of December. And let's not forget that just because this month is over, this year is over, doesn't mean that it's all over. In fact, I'll show you guys something that's actually quite good. If we're, I know history doesn't repeat, but it tends to rhyme. So if we're rhyming to some of the previous cycles that we've had, then that means what we're going to experience in January is going to be pretty fantastic as well. So I'll show you guys that as well. All right, so we're starting out the day at 95.4. Overall, let's see. The broader market today is like a shortened day, I believe, or a shortened week. Not today. I think today is a regular day, but it's a shortened week. Obviously, Christmas is off, and I think tomorrow is a shortened day. But, you know, we're starting out today kind of mixed. Look at this headline right here. MicroStrategy rides red sweep to 477% gain in 2024, topping almost all U.S. stocks. It was hotter than that. It's just this last few weeks, it had volatility. I think December, but leading up to it, MicroStrategy was the hottest stock there was. Nothing was outperforming it, and that's thanks to Bitcoin, right? The Bitcoin strategy works. Of course, we're waiting for the Santa rally, the Christmas rally, right? And I did share in my video yesterday, if we do mimic or rhyme the last cycle, the last halving year, 2020, man, if you go back and look at it, it's crazy. I was looking at this yesterday, guys, right before. Not to say that history will repeat, right? But I mean, just to show you guys, last time, starting from today, December 23rd, Bitcoin was at 23,000, and look at this, right? It seemed like Bitcoin wasn't going to move. Seemed like Bitcoin was stale, and actually went down a little bit, but look at this. We went from 23,000, didn't move, 23,000, boom. Next day, 24,000, okay? That was Christmas Day. Christmas Day was 24,000, okay? So it barely moved. Look at what happened after Christmas. Boom, 26,000, 26,000. Look at this, 28th, 27,000. The 30th, 29,000, 29,000. The first, 29,000. The second, 32,000. The third, 33,000. Had a little scam wick right there, a little shakeout, right? Then the fifth, 34,000. The sixth, 37,000. The seventh, 39,000. And the eighth, we topped out at $40,000. So within a matter of 2 weeks, Bitcoin went up 75%. That was the last halving year. And most of that came after the new year, after Christmas, right? So during Christmas, the Santa rally, yes, we did go up slightly, but after the new year is when we really started going up. And then we corrected. Look at, after we went up 75%, we did correct. And then it started going down. We went back all the way down to 30,000 before, boom, we started going back up. And then we didn't really stop until we went all the way up to like $73,000, right? So, will history repeat again? Who knows? Who knows? But, just to go to show you, you just never know what may happen, right? Crazy things have happened before, and they could happen again. They could happen again. And overall, we know that 2025 is going to be fantastic, and I got a few things to share. But this morning, though, we do have some more FUD, and it relates to Mt. Gox. It seems like the Mt. Gox FUD never ends, and this could bring more volatility today and more, this morning. But Arkham did report that Mt. Gox did move another 49.3 million Bitcoin today. Don't know why they moved, but they did. Are they going to sell it? Are they going to distribute it? No one knows, right? It just seems like this Mt. Gox thing never ends. Like, we thought they were going to distribute it all, and this once and for all, this is going to be done, but it just seems like it's never done. There's always some kind of Mt. Gox FUD. Like, can't wait until one day. This has been ongoing for 10 years. 10 years since the hack. And this creditor, trying to distribute, like, can't wait. Next year should be the final year until, like, it's all done, right? But, yeah, this morning we got a little bit of that. But, like I've said, next year we got a lot of great things. Trump made a few more appointees. Stephen Moran as the new chair counsel of economic advisor to the president for economic issue. And this guy is very pro crypto, has spoken very highly of crypto in the future, going to be working with the new crypto czar, David Sachs. Again, Trump said he wants to make America like the crypto capital of the world next year, right? Another reason to be very hopeful about crypto in 2025, especially if you're in the US. So again, that's why a lot of American-based crypto companies doing very well and will probably continue to do well because Trump is sticking to his word. He is appointing all these guys, and here's another one, Bo Hines, all these very crypto-friendly people to all these top positions, right? They're not necessarily crypto positions, but they're, economic, financial positions, and they're all very crypto-friendly people. They're not like the previous administrations with all these people that want nothing to do with crypto. Now, all these people are people that have spoken very highly of crypto in the past. It's not a guarantee that they're going to be like all endorsing crypto in the future, but again, you put two and two together, if they've all spoken highly of crypto and they're being appointed by a president that wants to make America the crypto capital of the world, you got to figure that's kind of one of the agendas, right? So looking pretty good. Looking pretty good for next year.